Alright, y'all, so today I got another package from your boy Jacoje. I know I said I wouldn't do it, and I contemplated if I should, because you know how he messed up my chains and everything like that. But you know, I gave him another chance, and I gave him a couple chances actually, because I ain't gonna lie, the boy product is good, alright? His chains is cool, and they for the best price that I could see on the market today. Somebody could argue me or tell me another jeweler who's got better prices than Jacoje fine jewelry, then I'm gonna mess with them and I'm gonna do a review on them in the unboxing. But until somebody can find me somebody cheaper who's got the same quality gold, like, and this stuff is real beautiful, like solid, strong, I'm gonna keep rocking with your boy Jacoje. But let's get to this unboxing. Let's see what he got me. Well, let's see what I got myself. I ain't got my little tactical knife today. I got that little joint. I probably don't even need a knife. You already know how it goes, y'all. This is what it looks like when you get something from Jacoje. Sends you that stuff in FedEx. You gotta peel it open. Done with that. That's what the knife is for. Poke yourself. Shoo. Oh yeah, by the way, I copped this during his little sale he had going on that he only does like once a year for Jacoje Day and everything like that. So I got 10% off, which is very hard to get when it comes to fine jewelry, period. Because find me a fine jeweler or a jewelry store, period, where they actually be having discounts other than Macy's when they be having a lot of fake stuff. So yeah. Got it in the white box. I thought I would have got the new purple that he was going for, but boom, here it is. And we slide it open. Jacoje. What I got this time, y'all, is a diamond Miami Cuban, 5 millimeters, 17.5 inches. No, 7.5 inches. I'm bad tripping. I stay getting it by the same dude, but got your diamond weight, all that good stuff. Y'all check this stuff out there. I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to get to it because I've been waiting excited and got another box. Shit. What the? Whoa, what the fuck? Okay, so this is the bracelet. My first thoughts is like, wow, this is super small, and I pray to the Lord that this fits on my wrist. Holy shit. Ooh. Thank God I got it on though. Shit, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I thought I got it so small that I was like, this motherfucker don't even fit my ass. Damn, there it is. There it is, man. I got a little wiggle room. Oh my God, I was scared, y'all. I thought it was gonna be a problem. I ain't gonna lie, this mug in person, y'all, this is super small compared to what it looks like on video, y'all. Like, I ain't gonna fake it. It's nice, it's beautiful, it shines, it dazzles. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Like, if y'all want something a little bit bigger and shit, you might want to save your money and wait. This mug, I'm not mad at it. It's don't get it wrong. It sparkles, it dazzles. It's a nice little accent piece for sure. You know what I'm saying? You can definitely tell my wrist is gleaming from that joint. But I ain't gonna. Hey man, it's cute. That's the best way to put it. It's cute. It's nice though. Like, it shines and shit, but I'm not gonna lie, like, I totally thought this shit was gonna be so much bigger. Like, yo, Jacoje be, man, I don't know what lens he used on his cameras, bro, but he made them shits look so much bigger than what it really is. So, boom, that's that, man. I like it. I'm feeling it, though. Don't get it messed up, though. It feels good. It feels great. Like, that's the Jacoje way. Let me go ahead and show y'all the rest of the bling. But now we good with it. I'm not gonna lie. For real, y'all, like, I probably won't be buying no more chains and stuff like this for a minute. Next thing I probably do get would be like some nice diamond earrings. I already got some nice diamonds, some black diamond earrings, but man, slow down with this big expenditure. I like it, man. It's cute. It's pretty though. Don't get it fucked up. My thing is like, damn. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. It ain't, but hey, it works, bro. I was scared though, bro. It's so small that I didn't think that mug was gonna fit me. So thank God it did, cause I was like, Jesus, we already got a problem. Hey man, but other than that, it's nice. I'm shining the Cuban way. You dig? Saying, man, over and out. Thank y'all for staying for this unboxing. Let me give y'all the info again. Once again, I just got the Diamond Cuban 5mm in length, and 5mm like thickness. You know what I'm saying? This is a 5mm. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This mug's so small, dog. I swear it is, but I'm glad I got this because, truthfully, I want to. Cause one thing for sure is I definitely want to get his 5mm Cuban chain. And now that I'm seeing this, I'm like, I might really wait for that Cuban chain because I think I might need something bigger. I was gonna get a 5mm iced out diamond to replace this rope that I got from him. But honestly, I think I might wait. I might chill for a minute. I might chill. You see, and you know what's cool? You get the best of both worlds. If you just want to do gold, I'm going out with the gold. Just flip it over. You know what I'm saying? Nah, now I want to go back to the diamond, rocking that ice. Flip that mug back over. Alright, y'all, man. This is a wrap, man. I'm happy. I'm satisfied. Like I said, it's cute. It's small. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be, but that's what a 5mm look like. But I'm just really glad this mug fits around my wrist perfectly. I got the like I said, 7.5 inch, and I was scared that wasn't gonna fit. I was scared that I got something way too small. So I'm blessed that this mug fits. Jacoje, once again, thank you for your beautiful jewelry. I'm happy, man. I'm satisfied. I ain't gonna lie, man. I fuck with Jacoje. He's a cool dude. But y'all remember, man, when I got that chain and he sent that mug to me, bro. Ooh, it took me forever to get over that shit. Well, it took me the same day. He ended up getting back to me in the same day, but what I ended up doing, I didn't wait for him to respond. I was so pissed off that I've been waiting for that mug so long. I just went to go get it fixed. But I told him that, sent him the receipt. I told him, I was showing him the whole process of when it came to here and everything. Like, you gonna see it in the video, but I showed him the whole process. Like, man, you got me messed up. But he made it right. Like, he paid for the how much it costed to get it fixed and everything like that and get it welded back on. So no harm, no foul, man. But over and out, man. Zan, man, y'all check me out, dog. For real. Like I said, B-roll coming soon to this nice bracelet. Got it on with the Apple Watch and whatnot. It's, you know what I'm saying? It's real low key. I like it. It's beautiful though. It shine. Don't get it messed up. Shine bright like a diamond, dog. Shine bright like a diamond. I really like the clasp too. Alright.